So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. I'm back once again in KaOS Linux, Niri Noctalia, but more info soon. First, I have to make sure that the stream is working properly. So here we are, let me check out. Yeah, I think it's fine. Is it? Maybe I need to reload. Let's try. Hopefully everything is working. Strange. This is very strange. What is going on, YouTube? For some reason it doesn't want to play back. Interesting. I think the video recording and the stream are working properly, I think. But yeah, I also noticed that I have the wrong info in the chat. Oh well. Yeah, this is surely an error on the YouTube live page. Stream is healthy, it says, but doesn't play back well. What is going on, stream? This is very strange. I have streamed so many times in full 4K. Okay, I find it. I have no issues here, so I don't know why YouTube is complaining. I think I will just go ahead and ignore it completely. I don't want to waste any more of your time or my time. So yeah, let's go. Actually, let's go on an empty workspace and then launch the terminal. Oh yes, right. So yeah, yesterday I wasn't sure how to zoom in on the terminal, but I know now how. Of course, I was using the wrong keys, the wrong shortcut keys is all. So here we are. Of course, I was the problem. So yeah, as you can see, you can pause the stream basically if it's working for you, or later on the YouTube video when it will be available on my channel, and take a good look. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is full 4K 3840 by 2160, running at 120 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming, yes, in full 4K resolution, but 30 FPS. The rest of the system information, as I said, take a good look at your own pace. Let's not waste any more time on this. Let's go back. Okay, like this. And yeah, I was trying hard to customize the system. I think I have been doing a good job. I'm getting there quite well so far. So let's start with the top bar or top panel, however you want to call it. I have, of course, my preferred way of showing the date, the time, and all that. The weather here as well. The network speed. And of course, I can right click anywhere on the top bar and I will get the extra tool, control menu or how it's called. Then with the middle click I can get the settings, and then with the left click I can have the launcher, the application launcher. And as you can see, I have also configured my dock, which is the way I like it to be. For example, I will load this up here, boom, and then I can see easily which icon is the focused app at the moment. And then I can go and, for example, click on calculator. I think you can now see the difference. Dolphin, calculator. So I like this quite a lot. As I said, KaOS Linux, the version of Niri Noctalia is amazing. It has so many great options, and most of them work without accessing the configuration files. But anyway, and besides the dock, I also have just basically I have just a little bit of a fixing to do, because most of these things are already quite fine for me, and this is the problem so far. On the date, I need somehow to figure a way to have the weak numbers here. So far it escapes me, but I'm sure, I don't want to use sure, but I think it's going to be fine in the end. I think I will solve this puzzle eventually. So yeah, the rest of the stuff, for example, maybe you have noticed already. Let me show you a moment. For example, once again, this is the Dolphin. This is the characters. I will load the apps now that I have on my dock. Resources, volume control, calculator, text editor, GIMP, sorry, sorry for this. I will keep on going. Then I have Kdenlive, for example. And then here is the Tenacity. And as you will soon see, most of the apps adhering to my theme, to my preferred way of appearing on the screen. The colors, the window toolbar decorations. So I'm quite glad about this. And of course, few minor problems are here and there, but mostly it's exactly like I want it to be. For example, if you can pay attention on the resources app, the decorations are on the left side of the window, and on this one, this is basically GTK app, and this is the Qt app, and the decorations here are on the right side. I'm not sure if I will be able to solve this puzzle, but I will see. I will try for a day or two, and maybe eventually I will be able to solve this. The easy solution is just to have them not appear at all. It's an option inside the Niri configuration file, but yeah, we will see. And other than that, everything goes quite well. The colors, the themes, everything. I quite enjoy a lot this. As I said, KaOS made me be a fan of Niri Noctalia, and this time around it's even better. It seems to be more mature, if you will. And yeah, besides these little details that remained to be fixed, as you can see, everywhere I have my icons, my preferred icons, and I'm sure that most of my apps, even those that I haven't loaded at all, I'm pretty sure that most of them adhering to my theme, colors, etc. For example, Yoplin. I don't recall if I have ever loaded this up before. Let's check it out together. So yeah, it appears to be fine, so no problems. Nice. So yeah, what else left? Plenty of work. I'll have to figure out a way to fix the wallpaper script. I have to find a way to fix the cursor factory. I don't know if I will manage. I hope that I will. And of course, then it's the little details like you know, everything working as I like to call it, stress test, while running a game in full 4K resolution. The game is going to be, of course, Final Fantasy XIV. While running that game in full 4K resolution, 60 FPS, I will try to screen record it basically and stream it at full 4K 60 FPS. And then I will load as many apps as possible and everything hopefully will go well. I'm saying this because this time around I have an extra effort on capturing the screen for the recording and the stream. I'm using something that I call a hack basically, and I'm not sure if it's going to be working fine while doing this work at 60 FPS. Remains to be seen. And before I go, I will show you what is KaOS and then my OBS settings for today, and then I will wave you goodbye. So yeah, this is the official page of KaOS. Welcome to KaOS, a lean Qt distribution. KaOS is an independent, built from scratch, Linux distribution focused on Qt. And this is very important for you to know, news. KaOS Dinit or KaOS Dinit, however you pronounce this. After almost 3 years of preparation and close a year of trials, building, testing and rebuilding, KaOS is proud to present to you a first stable ISO that is fully Dinit based and has plenty of information on the website, of course, that you can read and learn all the details about it. It's a milestone, so to speak, so I had to use it, of course, and this is why we are here. And if you like what you are seeing so far, and if you like what you will be seeing in the near future, please download and have a go yourself at KaOS Linux distribution, Niri Noctalia. I'm not sure if you can run KD Plasma any longer. Maybe if you are, it's going to be maybe the last version. I think the 6X version, let's just call it like that. But yeah, Niri Noctalia is the future for KaOS and Dinit instead of systemd. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything. Oh yeah, I forgot, my bad, sorry. I promised that I will show you my OBS settings. Here we are. I'm using hardware encoders for the audio and the video, FMPEG AAC for the audio, FMPEG VAPI H264 for the video, 16,000 bitrate, and for video it's full 4K resolution, 30 FPS. And for the file I'm using, of course, MKV. So yeah, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!